Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening your project and placing text where the highlight should appear. Add a text box from the Create menu, then type the exact words you want highlighted. Once done, position the text layer above the video and trim its duration to match the spoken or visual cue. Make sure to choose a bold font and appropriate size so the highlight stands out. Also set alignment and safe margins now, because consistent placement saves time in the next steps. Next, you craft the actual highlight. Duplicate the text layer so you can revert quickly if needed, then add a rectangle shape and resize it to sit exactly behind the letters. Change the rectangle color to a high contrast highlight hue and drop the opacity to about 70% for a translucent effect. Use transform to nudge spacing and apply a quick animate into the rectangle so the highlight appears with the words. This creates a clean, readable highlight that tracks the text. To finish, group the text and shape so they move as one and render a short proof clip to confirm timing and visibility. If the highlight is off, make small timeline nudges, 1/10 or 1/5 of a second, to sync with audio and motion. If Clipchamp's text spacing breaks, export the text as a high-resolution PNG and re-import it as an overlay to lock spacing. One troubleshooting tip. If colors flatten on export, increase contrast or export at higher quality settings to.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.